This is the Volkswagen Jetta 6, and if you need to reset the infotainment screen, like it doesn't work, it freezes, there are two ways you can do this. First of all, the simplest reset, the easiest reset, is to press this power button when the infotainment is on. Press this power button and hold it for 15 seconds. It will reset the infotainment, but you will not lose your radio stations, your settings, your Bluetooth connections, like a phone connected or something like that. So you will not lose the settings. But there is also another way to reset the system to factory settings. So you will need to press setup or settings when you have then the system, and then factory settings, and then you reset everything. You will lose radio stations, you will lose all Bluetooth connected devices, you will lose all memory that you have, maps or whatever you have here. So you will lose everything, but the system may start working better because it will reset to the factory settings. I will cancel this because I don't want to do this. And actually, these are the two ways you can reset the infotainment system in your Volkswagen Jetta.